we can see different things on the floor. And are all these things made up of same material? No, student, they are made from different material and they have different qualities. The things are made from the metal, plastic, glass, cloth or fabric, clay, wood, rubber and paper. Out of these, some are natural material, means some of these things are made from the natural material, while some others are made from the man-made material. Now, can you identify which are natural material? So, if we see this metal, metal is a natural material. We get metal from the rocks. So, we have to extract metal from the rocks. So, metal is a natural material. In the same way, cloth or fabric is also natural material. This cotton cloth we get from the cotton plant. So, this is a natural material. In the same way, we get wool from the sheep. So, cotton and wool are natural material. In the same way, clay is also natural material because it made from the soil. Wooden items are also natural material because we get wood from the plants and trees. Rubber is also natural because we get rubber from the plants, and rubber is a type of gum we get from the plant and trees. So rubber is also natural material. And paper is made from the wood. So paper is also a natural material. So paper, rubber, wood, clay, cotton and wool and metal are natural material, while plastic and glass are man-made material. We heat sand to high temperature and then we add chemical to make glass. Sand means रेत को बहुत मेल्ट हीट करते उसमें केमिकल मिला देते हैं. So we get glass. So glass is a man-made material because it is made by men. In the same way, plastic is also man-made material because we add chemical to some object to make plastic. So plastic and glass are man-made material, while metal, cotton, wool, wood, rubber, paper and clay are natural material. Now student, all these things have different properties. Some of the material are hard while some are soft. Some are weak, some are strong. Some are transparent, some are opaque. Some are flexible, some are not flexible. So I'll show you different items. If we see this metal is shiny, hard and strong. We cannot break it easily. While this glass or the things made from the glass are weak. They are hard but they are weak. We can break them easily. If we throw them on the ground, they will break. Clay is also weak. It is hard but weak. It can be easily broken. Wood is hard and strong. We cannot break it easily. Now students, some material are soft, some are hard. For example, we can see this cloth. Cloth is soft. We can compress it easily. You can see it is soft and it is easily compressed. In the same way, we see paper. Paper is also soft and it can be easily compressed. So paper and cloth are soft and they are smooth. And some of the material are transparent while some are opaque. What is transparent? We can see through it. So for example, this glass is transparent. I can see my finger through it. So glass is transparent. If I put this glass in front of this cloth, we can still see the cloth because glass is transparent. While some other material are not transparent, they are opaque. If I put this glass in front of this or metal glass in front of the cloth, we cannot see the cloth because metal is opaque. Now students, some of the material are stretchable while some are not stretchable. For example, if we see this rubber, it is stretchable. We can stretch it. We can stretch the rubber. and we can also compress the rubber. But we cannot stretch the wood. We cannot compress or stretch the wood. So we have seen different material and different material, different properties. Some are hard and strong like metal. Some are hard but weak, for example glass. Some are soft, for example cotton and wool and paper. Some are stretchable, example rubber. Some are not stretchable like wood. Now we have discussed about different material and different properties. Some are made from the natural material. What are natural material? Metal, cotton, wool, clay, wood, rubber and paper are natural material, while plastic and glass are man-made material. And different material have different properties. Some are hard, some are soft, some are strong, some are weak. Some are transparent, some are opaque, some are stretchable, some are not stretchable. So things are made from different material, and different material have different properties. So we came to know in this chapter that things are not made from same material and things do not have same property. Different things are made from different material and different material have different properties.